Hi lovelies, thank you for joining me. I've got a Temu haul today. It's not very big, but I bought something to help me with filming my videos as well. So a few nail art bits. So yeah, small Temu haul really. Essentials, I think it is. So I'll move this out of the way because it's a big package and I'll pull out certain things at a time. So, I'll put it on the floor so I can sit down. Oh, right, I'll bring you down a bit. Right, so first things, these essentials. When I'm stamping I go through tons of these, but I like these wipes. So I got 2 packs while I was at it. And half a pack fills my drawer, so yeah. Essentials. What else? Let's have a dig. Get this big thing out the way first. Right, so this, I keep banging the stand when I'm filming. You'll have noticed it wobbles sometimes, and it never used to do, but this new stand I've got drives me mad. It's got such a big circular light. I mean, where my hands are now, that's where's it? You can't even see it. It's wider than that. This light is massive, so I bang my head on it when I'm bending down. Now my old stand, because the phone thing is directly in the middle, phone holder. So I bought a separate holder for my phone, so I can move my light a little bit further away. I'll stand up and get my phone off the stand and show you in a second what I mean. But this was a lot cheaper than on Amazon. I think it was only about £8. But anyway, if you want links to anything, let me know in the description box. No, in the comments box. Well, it looks quite sturdy. And yeah, so it's a clamp for my desk. But yeah, it's not plasticky. So that's quite good for the money, I thought. Yeah, and it's one of the sprung ones as well. Don't know how that works particularly. Where's that ball? Oh, I see, that bit goes in there. Yeah, look how strong that is. Oh, excuse my fingernails. I don't know if I've shown them already, but I've got fingernails missing. I must get them done after I've done this. Yeah, that's nice and solid, that. I like that. So I have to go quite a way down because it's on a worktop. So that'll just clip. And then that point there, I'll slip down in there and then I can angle it, yeah. So it's sprung and everything. Ooh, quite impressed by that. Oh, needs a little bit more. Right, I've set that up. I've got my camera in it now. I love it. It's well worth the £8 or whatever it was. So now bits and bobs. Yeah, that's it. So, oh, surprise, surprise, a stamping plate. I'm always on the hunt for different ones that I've not got. I've only got about 50. Yes, I'm obsessed. I know. Another florals. And when I bought them, I always double check. And some I've doubled up on purpose and some were by accident. So they're what went in the thingy giveaway drawer. So I liked this because of these like abstract lines. You just can't paint them that thin and that precise. So I thought they were really nice. And then nice length for nails because they'd fit mine great then. Yeah, not XL length, but yeah, pretty good. Oh, yes, I like that. Happy with that. Pretty sure I've not got that one. What's this? Oh, lace stickers. If you can't paint your lace, why not sticker them? Come out. Oh, they're pretty. They're pretty. To do like vintagey nails for summer. I like that. Oh dear, look, fingernail missing. I like that straight down the middle. And pretty edges. I've got them candelabra stickers that I want to use. Oh, just some new files, like I said, some essentials. What were they? They're 100s. Yeah, 100s, because I didn't have any. I've got one 180 and 240s, so I wanted some 100s. So yeah, just normal files. A single nail foil, which is unusual for me, so I must have really fancied it. I like to buy the sets, but if I've already got it, you know what'll happen. But pretty for that one. Oh, I like that. That is pretty. I wanted the more colourful because I keep going for the pinks, but this has got bits of yellow and that one. In fact, they look smashing against, whoops, against the black as well. Yeah, I like that, but I will double check and see if I've got some already, then I'll pop it in the drawer. I don't know what this is. I've just cut through with the packet, whatever it was. Just cut the top off it. Oh, hearts. I realised this Valentine's Day I'd hardly got any hearts at all. I think I'd got some red ones mixed up in other stuff, but I like this because it's all different colours. So I promise I'm not doing any more Valentine's nails this year, but I thought I'll get these while they were there. Yeah. Oh, and bubbles. I don't know what they look like on the nail, but they look right good on the photo. Obviously, it doesn't necessarily mean they'll be any good on your nail, but... Oh, I like them. Oh, yeah. So they didn't look nice against that cream background look. Unless they look better on camera than they do. But, yeah, over some blue nails. Oh, over some blue cat eye. That would be nice. I like these with the little light bits painted in. Cute. And as you can see, I've got another stamping plate there. I'm pretty sure I've got some blue cat eye coming from Bone Pretty now I think about it. Oh no, it might be green. Oh, I can't remember. I have got this one though. I've got this one. It might look nice over that. Rainbow water like that one. But this has got lots of lace. It's a really big thing. What's it? Plate. Oh, do come along. Oh, giving. Yes. Lots of lace. That looks like a little chandelier or something. I quite like that. Yeah, you see the size of it? I like that for around a French Oh, and I like that being half because there's butterflies. Do well for long nails, this one actually. Yeah. Pretty, I like it. So that's it. Yeah, so small haul. What I'm going to do is just take this off the stand. Excuse me hands for a minute. And I'll show you what the setup. So, this is the light that I've been using. Because I had two separate ones before. One for the phone and a ring light, which was smaller. This ring light is massive. And like I said, I kept banging my head. So, that's got to be in the middle and it's very limited to how much you can move it. And that cost me 30 odd quid, I think, from Amazon. Anyway, this is the one I've just bought. So this is the stand that I've just taken my phone out of. And as you can see from the fittings, this is the new one. This is the older one. And they're the same sprung, got the same screws, slightly different knobs on. But these fittings are the same here, look. So all this for about 8 quid. So if you're looking for something to hold your phone, if you're wanting to have a go at doing videos, you don't need to spend a lot of money, you know. You can just use your phone and a stand and you've cracked it. So put that back on, it's a little sprung loaded. And there you go, back on again. And I can zoom you in and out. I'm not going to bang my head. Look at that. Brilliant. I really enjoyed chatting to you. So thank you very much for joining me once again. Don't forget, if you do subscribe, click notifications so you don't miss any videos. And I'll see you back soon with Born Pretty, Madame Glam, what else? Giveaway. Yeah, when I get just a few more subscribers. I've sorted them into 4 lots. So there's 2 UK, 2 international. So yes, I shall do that in the next week or so.